Hi, I'm Heather. Welcome to Cooking with the Tachnas. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my Grandma Mason's iced banana cookies. These are absolutely addictive, so I only make them like once every 5 years because I want to eat all of them when I have them. They're so good I actually gave them to my brother for his 40th birthday because they're his favorite cookie. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of butter, and 2 mashed bananas. And you're going to cream these 3 ingredients together first. Now some of you may be tempted to melt the butter, but when you're making cookies, it's best if you get it at room temperature and just chop it up in little bits and then cream it together like this. It makes the cookies better. I'm actually not sure why, but I just know that that's true. Okay, then I'm going to add in 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. The next step is you're going to have 2 cups of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You just want to mix those together. And then we're going to gradually add it into the wet mix. And then in the end, you just sprinkle in some cinnamon. So while that's doing that, I'm going to turn my oven on. So it goes to 350 degrees and you're going to bake these for about 10 to 12 minutes. So again, if any of you are in Colorado, especially Colorado Springs, and you're making this, be sure to add a little bit extra flour. I actually put in close to 2.5 cups of flour because otherwise your cookies won't rise properly. And these are called iced banana cookies because they're made, again, with my Grandma Mason's homemade brown sugar frosting, which I've never seen brown sugar frosting anywhere but with the Masons. So I don't know if she just made it up, but oh my gosh, it's so good. Every year I make my mom a homemade chocolate cake for her birthday, and that's the frosting that goes on it. And this is the other thing that the frosting goes on, but you can put it on anything you want. But once you have it, you will never forget it. And then just sprinkle cinnamon in it. And it doesn't have to be a ton, it's just for flavor. And you can choose not to put it in, it doesn't really matter. It's totally up to you. Okay, you're gonna need 2 cookie sheets sprayed, and you're just gonna drop them by the spoonful onto the cookie sheet. Usually about this big. I don't make them very large. They're kind of sticky. And this typically makes about 2 dozen. Okay, I'm getting ready to bake these at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Just keep an eye on them, and we'll be back as soon as they're done. Thanks. Hi, we're ready to frost the banana cookies. My brown sugar frosting has been sitting out for about an hour. It's nice and thickened, and you can put as little or as much as you want on these suckers. If the frosting has gotten too hard, you just need to put it back on the stovetop, in the pan obviously, and heat it up on low for a few minutes, and that will soften it right up. You don't want to tear your cookies up. So be sure to watch the How to Make Brown Sugar Frosting video. I hope you guys enjoy the cookies. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Have a great day.